Hello, Indy Meets Disney here, and we are at Disney Springs today.
Yep, so today we have come to eat at Homecomin. We're going to have the brunch here, and we are looking forward to it immensely. We've eaten dinner here several times. We've never come to their brunch time, so.
Yeah, super excited. It's one of our favorite places at Disney Springs to eat. So let's go in, take you on this journey, and see what good things we can have.
Yep, come along with us.
So we've been seated here at our table. We're inside, got a nice little quiet back area here. Looked at the brunch menu. Brunch looks fantastic. Super excited to be here for brunch.
Yeah, they've got lots of fun things on their menu. Lots of things involving like Southern food, so like biscuits, fried donuts, just lots of like grits. Yes, just anything Southern you can think of, they've got on their menu. So yeah, I think it'll be yummy.
Got me some sweet tea. Sweet tea is great, nice and sweet. I like me some sweet tea. So super excited to try some food. Got a nice choice of that we think we've got picked out for our entree. We're gonna share that with you when we actually get it. But it looks fantastic. We saw it outside, somebody else ordered it, and it looks great.
Yes, it does. Normally we would get different things, but I think we've settled on the same thing because it just looks so good. So.
Yep. So we'll be back a little later, share that with you.
Okay, so the verdict is in. We decided to go with the Hallelujah biscuit. So on the bottom you can see it's an open-faced biscuit. It's topped with their famous Chef Art Smith's fried chicken. It normally comes with over easy eggs, but I asked for scrambled eggs on top. There is a nice little dollop, but I think that's bigger than a dollop of pimento cheese on it. Yum, yum, yum. There's also covered and smothered in sausage gravy, or sawmill gravy, and then it's got bacon on it as well, pecan smoked bacon. You can get any choice of side. So I decided to go with the potato gratin mash. So they look super cheesy and delicious. And now I'll pass over the camera to Cedric. See what he got.
Okay, just like Katie, I went with the Hallelujah biscuit. So it's an open-faced biscuit, topped with our Chip's famous fried chicken. So you can see that down here. I went with 2 over easy eggs, because I like my eggs running. It has that pimento cheese down along here. It has that pecan smoked bacon, which looks fantastic. And then it's smothered in sawmill gravy. So this looks awesome. And for my side item, I went Southern and I went with these grits. So they look great. So let's dive in, give this a try. Okay, so we've started in our Hallelujah biscuits. This is awesome. I love it. The chicken is a dark meat, so if you are a dark meat fan, you're going to love this. I prefer dark meat. I like the juiciness of dark meat versus white meat. Usually tends to dry out a little more, so I like that it is the dark meat. I love that I got the runny yolk on mine. I love that that yolk just kind of runs down in there, gives it that extra flavor. I love runny yolk on all my items. Usually if I get a burger, I like the runny yolk as well, because I like that runny yolk running over the meat. I think it gives it an extra flavor. Pimento cheese is great on there. I think it's a great addition. Bacon is great. Has that maple flavor in there. You can taste the maple flavor come through on the bacon. The cheddar biscuit is great. It's very nice, soft, flaky in there. I think everything just kind of mashes well together to make for a great item. I would definitely get this item again. I've tried my grits. They're really good. Got a nice buttery flavor to them. They're not like floating in butter, so that's nice. And I enjoy them as well.
Yeah, I agree with everything he said, except I don't prefer runny eggs, so I like them. I've got scrambled eggs, I've got a huge bite of everything. And I wasn't sure how I feel about pimento cheese and gravy being together, but it's actually a nice combination, a really great combination. Everything has been really delicious. The only complaint that I had, and my server was able to fix it right away, is my biscuits compared to his biscuits, mine were almost completely burnt, but she was able to delicious. I could barely even like cut my biscuits before with my fork. So these new biscuits are like melt in your mouth. So that makes me very happy.
They were very quick to fix it. So that was great.
So yeah, but yeah, everything is delicious. And then my side, I got those like cheesy covered mash. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it basically
like loaded potatoes.
It's like loaded mashed potatoes in your mouth for brunch, which I was like, oh, that's kind of fun. So it's very delicious. Everything's been great. Nice like south of your mouth kind of food, but everything's really yummy. So yeah.
Would you get it again?
I would 100% get it again. It makes us go hallelujah. It's just so good. Yep.
Okay, just some final thoughts on our meal. So, what you think?
It was so good. It was very filling, so a lot of like those heavy carb things. So the biscuit and the chicken, the fried chicken, and the gravy and the pimento cheese. So it's just very, very filling.
How you do it in the South?
That's how you do it. And I wanted to do all of it, but I just didn't have enough space in my belly to do all of it, unfortunately. So I left with quite a few things left on my plate, which I was a little bit sad about. But yeah, it was very yummy. What did you think?
Yeah, I mean, we had plans to do dessert, and we just could not do it. We were just so full, but it was so good. We enjoyed every bit of it, but like Katie was saying, we had some left over because we just could not conquer it and make our way to the dessert.
Should we share some of the things that are dessert?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's talk about some of it.
So some of the dessert things they have a lemon poppy seed shine cake, which involves moonshine inside of it. A hummingbird cake, which is their famous pineapple banana cake with cream cheese frosting. That one I really was into. They have their freshly made fried donuts. They have a chocolate pecan pie. They have a chocolate cake with pecans. So lots of really yummy sounding dessert that we wish that we would have had space for, but we still have space for. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to pay our bill, and then we'll get outside, and we'll wrap this video up.
Okay.
All right, so here we are, wrap up our review of Chef Art Smith's brunch that we had today. So good, enjoyed every bit of it. Like I said, we only had that small hiccup in the meal, but they were quick to fix it, which is great. Our server was fantastic, she did a great job. Sweet tea was great, enjoyed every bit of it.
Yes, and we have come here, like we've mentioned, for dinner several times before, now for brunch, so I just think it's a great place to come when you're at Disney Springs. Try to snag a reservation because they're delightful. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, any of them. So, well, not breakfast, but brunch, lunch, and dinner. They don't serve breakfast, so it's so good. So good. So thank you so much for watching our video today. Take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, we will
See you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.